Hello adventurers and welcome back to another video. I'm the Apprentice and today we're going to be asking the question, how long should you let beard oil sit in your beard?
May your beards be forever blessed and treasure forever upon your door.
So if we're talking short term, when you're getting ready in the morning and you first put the oil in your beard, we recommend about 5 minutes. Don't touch your facial hair for about 5 minutes after you put it in. I know, such a long time when you're waiting to continue in your process of the morning. Well, go do something else in your process. Come back 5 minutes later. Enough said. Now, if we're talking about long term of how long you should have oil in your beard, well, short answer to that, a few hours. You should aim for about, I say 3 hours to start your day off so it can stay hydrated. Now, there's a couple of things that you need to consider about your beard before you start anticipating how long you should have your beard oil in there. So first off, you should consider the thickness of your beard. Those with thinner beards won't need as much oil for hydrating. Those with thicker beards, they will need a bit more, a little on the heavier side there. Now, if you have a thicker beard, you're going to need more oil to last longer because you will be more prone to a dry skin underneath because your hair is taking up all of that oil that your skin is naturally producing. You should also consider some of the types of oils that you are using. Now, believe it or not, a lot of companies will use different oils when they are making their beard products. That's why some are better than others. That's why some are heavier oils than lighter oils. So depending on the oil that you use, do a little bit of research. Find out, is this a heavier oil? Is it going to last longer? Is it going to take longer for my skin to absorb it? Whereas in some might have some lighter ones and it'll be absorbed within an hour or two. And lastly, of course, your personal preference. If you are someone who puts oil in the morning, you wait an hour or two and you are still feeling greasy from the oil, then you want to wash it off, that is fine. Maybe go back and adjust the amount that you're putting in your beard. But if you don't want to have the oil throughout the day, or if you have a scented oil that you don't want the smell in your beard for a long time, then go wash it off. We understand. But this is why we encourage people to experiment with different kinds of beard oils and different oils in general to help them find their preferred amount of time with beard oil. So to quickly summarize, how long should you have beard oil when you start out? We recommend, a few hours, but if you feel the need to cut it short, that's completely fine. As long as you gave your skin enough time to be moisturized and to absorb the oils that you did put in your beard. We hope that this video was helpful to you. If you did find it helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Comment down below your thoughts on what you do with beard oil. How long does it take you until you feel as though you've had enough of the moisture going on? Are you someone who needs it throughout the entire day? Let us know your story down in the comments. Adventurers, we thank you so much for the time that you have given us to watch this video. We are always wanting to give back to you. So if you go to make a purchase at our store, then use the discount code YT25 to get 25% off of your order. Thank you so much, adventurers, for all you do. May your beards be forever blessed and fortune forever upon your door. Have a wonderful day.